Look at this clever little thing my husband did. Just like a little hook on this tree.
I call this a handle.
We are on hike number 2 of this year. We just bought me some hiking boots. We ordered them, so they're on the way. So hopefully next time I'll actually have hiking boots to wear on our hike. All right, we're not even quite a mile in, and I've already shed my jacket. As you can see, I'm wearing just my top layer here, and we've come across a little frozen bed of water. So Joshua is enjoying doing his little skating thing. But as you can see, oops, we've been about 27 minutes and we're not quite a mile in. So I guess, I don't know. Here we go. Here we go. Oh no, it's like all pure ice. Yeah, that is solid underneath.
That's solid. That ain't breaking.
Yeah.
No way.
So we noticed if you get really quiet, you can hear the water right over here. All right, it looks like we made it to the waterfall. I'm gonna film Joshua. Joshua's filming on his camera, and I'm gonna turn around. Yeah, there he is. All right, I will turn the camera around and film over there. This is about a little over 2 miles into the hike.
Hello, viewers.
You hear that? Oh my gosh, you can even see the water right there.
There you go.
Yeah. God, that is so cool. Wow. I bet that's freezing.
That's good stuff. Wow. Yeah, that's a whole waterfall encased in there. This is so cool. Yeah, so look, then the water feeds right underneath our feet. Someone looked like they made a slide out of it. Oh, those came out way better than I guessed. Oh man, I guess I could have zoomed out on you. Wow. Thanks, tree. I can tell other people have done the same thing. Yeah, there's like a cave up here. Yeah, no joke.
He has disappeared. Yes? No?
Go towards the waterfall, you can see me.
Hold on.
I might be too high.
Hold on.
Wait, let them go stop.
Aw, fun. Wave. Cute. That's cool. Ooh. That's crazy. Standing right next to this waterfall.
Oh, this is so cool, babe. Actually, let's see if we can get a picture of you. Trail's that way. Isn't this beautiful, Rachel?
All right, we have almost made it back to the car. Joshua's a little bit ahead of me. We've officially gone a little over 4 miles and a little over 2 hours. It was mostly an incline of, like, on the way up, it was mostly an incline. And on the way back, it was mostly downhill, so good and bad.
It's completed 2 miles in, 2 miles out to a beautiful frozen Maxwell Falls.
Yeah.
Very happy with what we accomplished today.
Yay!
Yay.
All right, so I paused it so that you could see we did a little over 2 hours, and then we did a little over 4 miles. Woohoo! So as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, we have decided to do one hike a week for hopefully the whole year. Basically, our goal is to get healthy and fit, really, and also we just want to challenge ourselves. Unfortunately, we didn't film much from our first hike. I have a few little clips that I'm gonna post here.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
I just want to get too dark for you.
And also, one of the things that we love to do is to take Polaroids. So you will probably see a Polaroid for every hike that we do this year. I just wanted to say thank you so much, and I hope you follow us along on this Tate adventure.